It's called Stamps of Life. This is really cool. It shows you right here a little bit of what they look like. The Stamps of Life, it's a 23-piece metal die set. And you're getting a 6-page idea book as well. But this being designed by Stephanie herself adds so much extra dimension to your cards. And that's you're gonna see right down here. But we're gonna go out on Skype to join Stephanie so she can show us even more of the incredible dimensional projects that you've created. Welcome to the show, Stephanie.
Hello there, how are you today?
Doing fantastic, good to see you.
Great, great, nice to see you again too. Now, you know what, I am really, really excited about this card base. Now, I call it a center step up because it's actually an A2 size card. It does fit in a standard A2 size envelope, but it's gonna give you a couple different extra things. For example, you said there's over 20 dies in this kit. Like, wow, I really packed it in there. When I designed this, I thought, you know what? Oh, there's a little spot, I can fit more dies, I can fit more dies. Now, it comes with the cute little Friends Forever. It comes with a little thanks, with a little shadow die as well. But you're also getting some cute borders and a little extras on there. But look at how cute this is when you put it together. It's so simple. You get to see that dimension. It has that dimension, but it's a little stair step right there in the center. It is so easy to do. Here's an example of it using extra little embellishments to make it pop up. So you can see that again. There's the example of what it looks like. It does stand, so it's perfect for display. You're gonna send these to people and they're gonna look at this and just say, wow, how in the world did you do that? And how can I do it as well? You're gonna knock their socks off. Here's a fun one where the words actually literally pop up. We used acetate. So you can see they almost look like they're flying. They're just kind of in the air. So let me show you how easy this is to do. And then I wanna show you why this is more bang for your buck, because you're really getting 2 for the price of 1, 2 different techniques. So here it is. I just ran it through my die cut machine, easy peasy. You get these nice deep score lines. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fold them in the center, and then you're going to zigzag or accordion fold these inside. So you're just gonna pop those down, pop that one down. There we go, there's my little stair step. And then we also included a layering die in there as well. So I can just lay this down right on top. I've done all of the measuring for you. We're just gonna lay that down right there. And then when I decorate it, look at this one.
Oh,
it's
wow.
absolutely fantastic. It's so gorgeous. I know, isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
I know, you can see the extra little flowers. You'll get the little flowers in there. You can see the extra dimension there again. You can see the inside, but on camera, it doesn't even do it justice because it's absolutely gorgeous, all the different options you have. Now, that is if you wanted to make a center step up. But what if you wanted to go crazy and take a regular A2 size card and look at this, ready? Look at that.
Wow.
I just popped up those little tortoises. Look at that, right? Again, same card base. Look at that, it does. It really pops up. It really shows you. Now I'm gonna really knock your socks off here. Everybody loves gnomes. Gnomes are the hit guy right now. But watch this. This is a 5x7 card base. I'm gonna open it up. And look at that.
What?
Look at all of that dimension. Look at all those layers. Now, now look how easy this is. You're just putting that card base in there and you're just gluing items onto those little stair steps. Now, how easy is this to do? Let me show you. Here is an A2 size card base.
Oh my gosh, you guys, we're gonna show you, in addition to the dies, we do have stamps available too from Stamps of Life. But the dies, I'm just gonna show you, this is what it looks like. It's a center step up. So these are the ones that come to life. That just gives you the idea of some of the dies that are attached to the back. But these are what you'll pop through to create whatever card, whatever, you know, all kinds of occasions, from birthdays to everything in between. If you would like, I'll get you the information on the stamps as well, different item number, but these are on sale. This is brand new from Stamps of Life and on sale, 5 flex, like everything is for our event today. So as you watch Stephanie go to town, I mean, those cards, I mean, I say it all the time, but if you went and bought something that has that much detail and that much life to it, you would spend a fortune.
You couldn't, you absolutely couldn't, because yeah, they're just too much detail. And if you want,
I think we got you froze there for a second, but this is just giving you another idea. Oh, hey, I think we got you back. It was just a quick little freeze. But if you want to see stamps on the side of the screen as well, 751-309 for only $12.95. That's pretty fantastic. So back to you, Stephanie, to show you the dimension of the cards that you've created. These are like better than pop-up cards.
Yes. They really are, because there's 2 options. You're getting the stair step or the inside step up. So you get to pick and choose. It's like getting two for the price of one because you have two different, totally different options. And the fun thing is that stamp set you were talking about, on the inside, this is one of the stamps. It says, "I'm so blessed to call you my friend."
Aw.
And it has a lot of fun friend phrases on it. I really like it. And look how cute that is. The little parrots are talking to each other. So cute. Here's a fun one with the rainbow in the background. We have our cute little bird bath over there. So cute. Oh, here's a cute one with the little bears, friends forever. And you can see just adding that little extra dimension in the back, it really makes it pop. It makes it wow. It makes the person you're going to give this to say, "Oh my goodness, you are the master." Because when you show them that extra dimension, they're just gonna go, wait, you made this? You actually made this? I can't believe that. And we're giving you so many extra dies that you're going to have so many different options to do. We have all these fun flowers. We have friends forever. We have the word thanks. All these fun little swirls and different, look at that fun border right there. You're also getting a squiggly border here. You're getting these cute little flowers in the background here. But do you not want to do flowers? Great. Okay, let's do mermaids instead. You can use anything you already have in your craft stash to create these cards. You're going to pick and choose what you have on hand, and you're going to be able to make whatever you want. I love how the little mermaids are kind of popping up a little bit. Here's another example where we've kind of covered a little bit the stair step, but you can still see it. So that little heart is covering it just a little. So it just adds another, the person you give this to is going to say, wait, oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Whoa, look, you have all that dimension in there. They're going to know when you give this to someone that you really care about them because you spent time to make this, but I just showed you how easy it is to do. You're just putting two different dies in your die cut machine, and then you're just going to decorate it with whatever you like. But look at how easy that is, and it just really wows. We need to go back to this gnome one because he didn't get enough love. Ready? Here we go. We're going to open that up, and it's literally its own little creation.
I mean, how do you not smile?
Isn't that amazing? And right, exactly. And they literally just glued these items on after they colored them. You're just taking that little pop-up and you're just gluing them in there. And that is absolutely amazing. That is a work of art. People are just going to be amazed when you give them something like this. You're just going to say, "This is absolutely amazing. I cannot believe it."
You're right.
I can't believe you made it. I know.
Giving somebody something homemade is the best, especially now. You know, we just all need that little personalized moment. You go to your mailbox and you had a homemade card, you know, instead of a bill. What a treat that would be. Stephanie, thank you so much for joining us today. Good to see you. These are adorable.
Thank you. Nice to see you too.
Take good care. So again, the die cuts and the stamps are both available on sale, brand new.